Hey guys, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a group on Android. So first of all, go for your messaging option. Now go for here. After that, just search for that person. I go for this one and again, okay, then choose your SIM card and go for continue. Now you can see your group is created now. Now if you go for details, you can add more people here from this option. So yeah, that's how you can create a group on Android. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.